Hi there, welcome back. So in this lecture we're gonna learn to implement continuous statement with for loop. So I'm gonna keep all the codes from my previous lecture, refactor them to implement continuous statement, and we should be good to go. So continuous statement is exact the opposite of break statement. So let me show you what I mean by saying that. I'm gonna jump into my IDE and I'm gonna remove the print statement, and I'm gonna remove the break statement as well. I'm gonna hit enter and I'm gonna type continue, then I'm gonna hit enter again and hold down my shift and hit on tab once, and I'm gonna type print, then I'm gonna pass elements. Okay, so now I'm gonna right click and run it, and as you can see that I've got apple, lime and cherry printed out on our code runner except lemon. So this behavior is exact the opposite. So with break statement, when we find a match we stop our iteration, but with continuous statement, when we find a match we continue on with the iteration, except for the fact that we do not print the elements that we have set on our condition. So if you look into our program closely, then you'll see that we set a condition with if statement. It says that element equals lemon. So when we locate our match, we're gonna continue with the iteration with the help of this continuous statement. Okay, so that's how you would wanna go ahead with the continuous statement and implement it with for loops. So I'm just gonna wrap this up. I hope this has been informative and you've learned some valuable lesson. I'll see you in the next lecture. Thanks, bye.